Hi, I'm Sandy Wheeler. I currently teach high school English and provide district-wide assistance with technology, specifically Google Apps for Education, for Stratford Independent School District in Stratford, Texas. I've worked in the field of education for 15 years and have specifically assisted with technology for 7. I've worked with both USD 480 in Liberal, Kansas and Stratford ISD in making the transition to becoming Google Apps for Education school districts. I also wrote and received a grant for a set of Chromebooks in my classroom, which led to a district-wide Chromebook initiative. Today, I'm going to explain to you how to be a rock star using the new Google Sites. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go to sites.google.com. Now this brings us to the original Google Sites page. However, we're not going to create an original Google site. We're going to create a new Google site. Clicking on New Google Sites brings us to the page. We can start our first site. As you see, it says click the plus to create a new site. So we click this plus in the bottom right-hand corner of our screen, which opens a new site page for us to design and specify however we like. The first thing you can do is enter a site name. I'm going to call it Mrs. Wheeler page. And I'm going to enter the title. I'm going to call it Mrs. Wheeler's Classroom Website. Now that is really nice, but I might want to do some moving around, and so I have to see here that I have some options. I have the option to change the image behind my title, and if I want to do that, I hit the down arrow, and I can upload an image directly from my device, or I can select an image. I'm going to choose select an image so that we can see that we have multiple options for image selection. The gallery, a URL, search the web, use my photo albums, or I can upload an image from Google Drive. Today I'm just going to use the gallery that Google has made available to us. And I like the typewriter because I teach English. So I'm going to select the typewriter, and as you can see, Google actually optimizes the photo for readability so that you can see the words on the screen. I could also change my type of header to a large banner, a regular banner, or the title only. If I click title only, as you can see, I've lost my image. So I really like the banner option myself. Now, if I want to type a welcome message for my teachers and students, or parents and students, I can insert a text box here. I can insert images, or I have multiple opportunities for inserting information onto my web page. Then I'll simply click publish, and that is how you create a new Google site from the new Google Sites.